guys, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, a couple quick things about Seedfolks. We are just about done with our unit. Here are some dates I need you to know. The first one is Monday, November 23rd is the day of our summative. Please, 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 please make sure you have that date written down. Remember that our summative is the end of unit, so that is the day that we're going to take that last test, and we cannot retake this one. So please make sure you're prepared, getting your work done. Next is the following day. I'm giving you a little bit of wiggle room. I will be accepting late work or missing work for the unit through the 24th, so that Tuesday, and not after. That is the day before Thanksgiving break starts. That is the last day we'll be doing the reading portion of Seedfolks. All of your work needs to be turned in. We move forward, not backwards, when we're doing our work, so we cannot go back after that day, okay? If you have any work that you need to turn in, please make sure you're doing it that day. Remember, guys, I need to see you in office hours to make sure that we're getting that right work turned in. Sometimes people will email me with something and it's not the right thing, or that there's a breakdown in communication. The easiest, best way to get your work turned in is to show me in office hours. It'll take you 5 minutes or less. I can look at it with you, we can grade it in the moment, put it in the grade book, off you go. So please make sure that you're visiting office hours with that late work. I do not know if you turn in late work otherwise, so I need to hear from you, I need to see you, quickly turn it in, and life is good. Alright guys, so make sure you have these dates written down, and thank you for all you're doing.